Hey, welcome to 1317 Lakemere Avenue in the Fountain Trace neighborhood. This is a beautiful fully brick home. It features 4 beds, 4.5 baths. You're sitting on 1.13 acres and you're right under 3,800 square feet. Come on in, we'll show you around. This spacious kitchen features granite throughout, plenty of cabinet space, an eat-in, and a hearth with its own gas fireplace. As I said, this home features 4 beds. I'm staying here in the master suite right now. It features vaulted ceilings, nice sized room, and a master bath you could only dream of. The outdoor living space here at 1317 Lakemere is second to none. You have sprinkler systems in the front, an in-ground saltwater pool here in the back with its own diving board and slide, as well as a mother-in-law suite that features 1 bed and a full bath.